Welcome. Come on in. It's Thursday and it's happy hour. Home happy hour to be exact. So grab a drink and let's get started. Hi everybody, it's Claire Paris with Paris Group Realty LLC in Portland, Oregon. And today we're talking about carbon monoxide. Where does it come from? And how do I make sure that I don't have to worry about it? So first off, carbon monoxide is something that occurs from fuel, and that is specifically natural gas or propane. So if you have those things in your home, you should have a carbon monoxide detector. They're $40 at Home Depot. You just go and they'll plug in. You don't even have to install it. It's super easy and you're covered. You just got to make sure that those batteries are good because they have a backup battery in that alarm. So that's first and foremost. If you take anything from this video, just take that. So carbon monoxide, it does terrible things to you. You can literally die from it. That's why it's so important. But your symptoms, if you're getting carbon monoxide exposure, are like lightheadedness and dizziness and all kinds of stuff. Now, if you smell things, now, gas, like propane gas and also natural gas, they are actually odorless, but the companies that sell them add a smell, that sulfur sort of rotten egg smell, so that you know if you've got an actual gas leak. So if you smell that smell, call the company or get out of the house immediately. You don't want to be exposed to that over time. And also, did I say make sure you have a carbon monoxide detector? That's the only thing you should take from this video. And then of course, you want to make sure your appliances are maintained and checked often, like your gas furnace. You want to have it tuned up and checked out. But mostly just make sure you have a monitor and then you'll know if you've got a gas leak. If you smell something, call, leave the premises, and make sure a professional comes and checks it out. That's it. It's simple. Very important, but very simple. As always, thanks so much for tuning in to this week's Home Happy Hour. We'll see you next week. Take care.